Good afternoon, children. So today I would like to discuss some assignment questions. So the first question is all about verify the following. First one, verify the following. The question is 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus of 18 into minus 3. So this is a question that asking us to find out, verify whether LHS part is equal to RHS or not. So 18 into, we need to solve this kind of question based on board mass rule, children. That is board mass rule. It is abbreviated as bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. I repeat, it is abbreviated as bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So 18 of 17 plus into minus, when you multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, the resultant answer will be the negative, that is plus into minus is nothing but minus. So minus 3 close the bracket is equal to 18 into 7. You just multiply 18 into 7 in the rough column. Okay, 18 7, the 8 7s are 56. 7 1 7 plus 5 is 126. So 126 plus of 18 into minus 3. So plus into minus is nothing but minus. 8 3s are 24. 3 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is nothing but 54. So 18 3s are 54. That is equal to 18 into, what is 7 minus 3, children? 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4. So that is equal to 126 plus into minus is nothing but minus 54. So that is equal to, so that is equal to 18 4s are, 18 4s are is nothing but 72 is equal to 126 minus 54. 126 minus 54 is nothing but 72. If you want, you can do it in the rough column, children. That is 126 and 54. 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2. 12 minus 5 is nothing but 7. So 72. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proof. Hope it is clear to everyone, children. Now coming to the next question. Similar kind of question. The second one is also similar kind of question, children. That is verify minus 21 into open brackets minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 close the bracket plus of minus 21 into minus 6. Minus 21 into minus 6. So when you take LHS part, minus 21 into minus, what is minus into minus? It's nothing but plus. 6 4s are 24. So close the bracket is equal to minus into minus. Minus into minus is nothing but plus. 21 4s are 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 84 plus of minus into minus. We all know that when you multiply two similar signs, either it is a positive sign or a negative sign, the answer will be positive itself. That is minus into minus is nothing but plus. 21 6 are 6 2s are 12. 126. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now minus into plus. Minus into plus is nothing but minus 21. Minus 21. Sorry, it is not a multiplication symbol, it is a positive symbol, children. So minus 4 minus 6, it is nothing but minus 10. So minus into minus is nothing but plus. 21 10s are 210 is equal to 84 plus into plus is nothing but plus 126. So 210 is equal to 84 plus 126. If you want, you can add it in the rough column, children. That is 126 plus 84. 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. So 210. So I just also 210. we got LHS is equal to RHS. That means the given statement minus 21 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 21 into minus 6. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now coming to the third question. Third one, the question is for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a? They are asking minus 1 into a is equal to what for any integer. As we all know that integer can be defined as, it is nothing but it is a set of positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0 is nothing but an integer. Yes. So for example, let a is equal to any number that is 1. When you substitute over there, minus 1 into 1 is nothing but minus 1. That means you are getting the resultant answer as minus a. For suppose, when you take one more example, so let a is equal to 3. When you multiply minus 1 into 3, the resultant answer will be minus 3. That means you are getting the same resultant answer minus a. Yes, when you consider let a is equal to negative number now minus 2. When you substitute over here, minus 1 into minus 2, the resultant answer will be minus of minus 2. Yes or no? The resultant answer will be same. Minus into minus is nothing but plus, 2 ones are 2. Minus into minus is nothing but plus, 2 ones are 2. Yes or no? So that means when you multiply a minus 1 with an integer so-called, any integer so-called a, the resultant answer will be minus a. So the resultant answer for the given question minus 1 into a, if a is an any integer, then the resultant answer will be minus a. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now coming to the fourth question. Fourth one, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. This is the question they are asking. So, if you go through the question over here, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. So, let us consider, let the integer be somewhat a. Okay, let us consider that the integer be a. So in the question itself they are asking, they are saying that integer whose product with minus 1. So a should be multiplied with minus 1 in order to get the resultant answer as 5. Okay, so a into minus 1 is nothing but minus a is equal to 5. Now you need to multiply minus negative sign on both sides. When you multiply a negative sign on both sides, minus of minus a is equal to minus 5. Minus into minus is nothing but plus. So plus a is equal to minus 5. Therefore, we got the resultant answer a is equal to what? Minus 5. Therefore, the unknown integer is equal to minus 5. Hope it is clear to everyone, children. Now coming to the fifth question. Fifth one, the question is find the product of 26 into minus 48 plus of minus 48 into minus 36. When you observe the statement over expression over here, we have two terms, first term and the second term. As I said you that the terms are segregated or differentiated with a symbol called either plus or minus in the expression. So in the first term and the second term, we can see two common numbers over here. That is minus 48 is a common term, right? So when you take minus 48 as a common, so in the first term, what is the number which is left over behind? That is 26. So you need to write the number as it is. In between the symbol, you can see a positive sign, right? So you need to keep a positive symbol. And in the second term, if you take minus 48 as a common term, minus 36 is a leftover integer over there. So you need to write down minus 36 in the bracket term. Why? Because you can see a different integer sign over there. So minus 48, open the bracket, 26 plus into minus is nothing but minus 36. Okay. So minus 48 into, you are subtracting a greatest number from the smallest number. You know, you need to subtract the smallest number from the greatest number, that is 10. And you need to keep a negative sign over there. Why? Because you cannot subtract a greatest number from the smallest number, or you can also pronounce it in such a way that you need to subtract the two integers over here, and you need to keep a sign which is greater. Like this is 36 is the greatest number, right? So you need to keep that sign over here, that is minus 10. So that implies minus into minus. This bracket resembles a multiplication symbol. Yes or no? So minus into minus is nothing but plus. 48 into 10 is nothing but 480. So the resultant answer for the given question is so called 26 into minus 48 plus of minus 48 into minus 36. The resultant answer will be 480. It is a positive sign, children. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now coming to the second bit, children. Show the correct answers. In the first one, find the product of 8 into 53 into minus 125. So they are asking us to find out the product of this integers, children. So better you do one thing, you just multiply this 125 into 8 first instant, and then you can multiply the resultant answer with 53, so that you will get the resultant answer. So the resultant answer will be, here negative sign is there, no? So you will get a negative symbol, and when you multiply all these integers together, you will get the resultant answer as 53,000. Okay. Why? Because when you multiply 125 into 8 is nothing but 1000. 1000 into 53 is nothing but 53,000. Now second one, this is also same similar kind of question. Minus 17 into, they are asking us to find out the product of minus 17 into minus 29. As we all know that when you multiply two negative integers, minus into minus is nothing but plus, and when you multiply 17 into 29, you will get the resultant answer as 493. 493. Now coming to the third one. Third one, 7 into 50 minus 2. That is equal to 7 into 50 minus 2 is nothing but 48. When you multiply 7 into 48, the resultant answer will be 336. Fourth one, find the product of minus 41 into 102. Obviously, when you multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, the resultant will be negative, and when you multiply 41 into 102, you will get the resultant answer as 4182, that is 4182. Now coming to the fifth one, children. Fifth question. Find the product of minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. In this one, you can see two terms over there, right? So you need to take 57 as a common term. Minus 1 is a leftover behind. So minus into minus actually it is plus. 1 into 19 is nothing but 19 plus 1. That is equal to 57 into 19 plus 1 is nothing but 20. So when you multiply 57 into 20, 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. So the resultant answer will be 1140. Hope it is clear to everyone, children. So we will wind up the session with this sort of sums. Thank you all. Thank you very much.